To know how to convert images into videos completely for free using AI, make sure you watch this video till the very end. First, we will need an image, and the tool that I use to generate this amazing image is ChatGPT. You can see I have provided a prompt saying generate an image and then provided a detailed prompt. You can access this prompt from the description of this video, and you can see that ChatGPT has generated this amazing image. To download this image, simply click on this download icon and your image will be downloaded. Now, to convert this image into a video, go to any browser and search for Kling AI, or you can just use the link in the description of this video. You will need to sign in first to use it. After signing, you will see an interface like this. Click here on AI videos. You can see a short pop-up that tells us how to generate our videos. To upload your image, click here and select it. You can see our image is being uploaded. Scroll below and you will find the prompt section where you can describe the motion in the video. We also have some more settings, but we will not make any changes here. Let's enter a prompt here describing the character movement and interaction. Again, you can find this prompt in the description. After entering the prompt, click here on generate and the AI will start generating our video, and since we are using the free version, this process takes a lot of time. I have observed that it takes anywhere between 10 minutes to sometimes even an hour to generate our video.
One eternity later.
You can see our video is ready. Click on it and you can see that the movement is good, but there is a little bit of flickering around the hairs and the dog. But the overall movement and animation is really good. You can click on this download icon and download your video. To avoid flickering, you can go to the negative prompt and add words like blur, flickering, distortion, and then click generate.
One eternity later.
You can see that in our second video, the flickering has been reduced to a great extent and it looks much better than the first video. In this way, you can convert your images into videos using Kling AI completely for free. But with the free version, you get a limited number of credits every month. So if you want more credits, you can go for a paid plan. If you want to know about some other interesting AI tools that can do some amazing AI stuff, then you can check these videos right here. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.